My name is Diana Rocco. I am a morning anchor for News 4 here in San Antonio. But before that, I worked for WABC in New York City for 6 years. I've also worked in Philly and in Boston. I have been struggling with celiac disease, I'd say probably for maybe my whole life, but I wasn't aware of it until I was in my early 20s. So it's been almost 2 decades that I've had my diagnosis, and I would say I've come a long way health-wise, but it's certainly been a struggle. And so today I'd like to talk a little bit about what that journey was like, because I don't think people are aware of how much cognitive symptoms play a role in celiac disease. We hear a lot about the digestive systems, the lower GI problems, but for me, I was really struggling cognitively. So what does that look like? Well, I had brain fog for years, and it was from very early on. I could remember being in high school and college, having trouble with organizational skills and feeling like I just wasn't smart because I wasn't able to actually grasp real concepts, or I'd be studying for hours and hours and just unable to retain any of the information, losing words, knowing the word, but I just couldn't quite make the connection between my brain and my mouth to say what I was trying to say accurately. And so I had sort of come to the conclusion I wasn't like everybody else, and it just took me longer and it was harder for me. I can also remember having real problems with diction, and in my business that is a big deal, not being able to clearly enunciate your words but rather slurring them. Very early on in my career, I had a voice coach say to me one time, "Diana, your diction is amazing. You'd never know that by talking to you." I also got referred for disability testing in college because a teacher had noticed that I was having trouble. So these were all feeding into my self-esteem and making me feel like maybe I was less than other people. Well, when I went on a gluten-free diet, all of that changed. And I realized that after the brain fog went away, I am smart. It's been almost 15 years now that I've been on a gluten-free diet, and I have seen a vast improvement. I will say I still have days. If I'm tired or not feeling well or may have had gluten by mistake, I still search for words sometimes. There are occasions that I still struggle with brain fog, but it is night and day compared to how I was living before. A gluten-free diet has changed my life, as well as the help I've received from Beyond Celiac. To know there is a community out there of people like me who understand and have struggled in similar ways has helped me beyond measure.